Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield and it's very, very windy, to say the least. So this is going to be my last video before New Year, so I just wanted to get something out and I'll have a little tour. Okay, not as changed since last year. I say, as you can see, the crane's still taking a bow. I'll have a little look around. I don't want to get too far in this wind. As I say, my drone is very good in the wind, but this is a very strong wind today, so I'm not going to take too many risks today. But yeah, not a lot of change. I could hear some noise coming from the grounds when I first arrived. I thought, oh, people are working, but I think it's just the wind whistling through the steel, through the steel work. So yeah, I don't think there's much going on. Yeah, all I want to talk about today is the transfer window's opening soon, and Liverpool have already made a move in the market, and it looks like we're signing Cody Gakpo, or Hakpo. It depends on what commentator you want to listen to, if you want to pronounce the G or you want to pronounce the G as a H. Okay, so yeah, so now I'll be honest, I haven't seen much of that play. If it doesn't involve Liverpool, I don't really watch it. But I'm going to start doing a bit more. I'm just going to bring my drone down. It's right. The wind has really caught it there and blew it away from me, so there's me standing there. I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to keep it low, guys. No, it's back by me now. The wind really took it there. So I've got people asking what drone I use. It's a DJI Mavic 2 Pro. They don't make them anymore, and I don't know why, because it's a great drone, but they brought out the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. So I can only assume that I'll take it up a little bit higher. I can only assume that they want to get more sales on the Mavic 3 Pro, so they discontinued the Mavic 2 Pro. Yeah, the wind didn't half cast that then. So anyway, yeah, Cody Gakpo is looking to be a Liverpool player soon. Sorry about this, I've just got to keep an eye on the drone now. It's not that high above me, it's only 35 metres above my head. Yeah, and also Jude Bellingham was on Sky Sports in the last hour or so that he's got a buyout clause of 60 million. Now, I'm not saying that we're going to get him, because I think the wage is going to play a big part in the signing of Jude Bellingham. We're going to have everyone in for him. Madrid, City, everyone's going to be going in for him. So that's going to be a hard one for Liverpool to get over the line. But also, it looks like a two-horse race between Man United and Liverpool for... I really apologise if the wind's interfering with my microphone as well. For Enzo Fernandez. Just look on the drone. Yeah, this is really windy, guys. I might have to abort this and switch to my phone. So I'm gonna bring the drone down, and I'll be back in a minute on my phone. Okay. So I'm back at home now. I did switch to my phone, but I had an absolute nightmare with the audio, so I'm gonna have to do the audio at home. Nice and chilled, no wind blowing. So before I had to land the drone, I was talking about the signing of Cody Gakpo. Now this looks like a really shrewd move from Liverpool. Man United were in for this player in the summer, but because they'd overspent on Anthony, they couldn't really afford to buy him
and PSV were asking for a lot more money than what Liverpool have actually got him for now. So yeah, I don't know that's how they've done it, but they've done it. And he looks like a good player. He's 2-footed, he can score with his left foot, he scored with his right foot. He can put in a cross, he's very good at assisting. I'll be honest, I haven't seen much of the player play. I saw bits of him in the World Cup, but what I've seen, I've been impressed with. Now, he's very young, and Klopp, this is right up Klopp's street, this, because he can get the best out of players. We've seen him do it time and time again. Okay, some players haven't worked out for us. We spent a lot of money on Naby Keita, and it looks like he's going to be gone by the summer. Wouldn't be surprised if he goes in the January transfer window. And two more players that we'd like to see at Liverpool, don't know if they're going to be going for them or not, is obviously Jude Bellingham, which is going to be hard. It looks like he's got a £60 million or €60 million buyout from what Sky Sports have been saying. That's the clause in his contract. And Enzo Fernandez, I think Chelsea are going to be looking strong at getting him. I think they've already put a bid in for him. So getting these two other players is going to be really hard. And again, the buyout clause in Enzo Fernandez contract is, I think it's €100 million or just over. Don't hold me to that one. Yeah, so it's two players that we'd love to see, join Gakpo at Liverpool, because we'd have a very strong midfield and forward line then, a lot of young talent in there. But we'll just see how the summer pans out. The January transfer window pans out, and then going into the summer. So let me know in the comments what you think about the sign of Gakpo and the possibility of maybe getting Bellingham and Fernandez. Also, I have put a poll on the community tab on my page, so jump across there. And it's a vote to see if you'd like me to do a match reaction video after games. So put your vote in, let me know what you think, if you'd like to see it or not. If it's a resounding no, I won't do them. If it's 50-50, then I'll probably go ahead and still do them. So let me know what you think. And I just want to thank everyone for all the support you've shown me, and I hope you all have a great new year, and thank you for watching my videos, and hopefully I'll continue to the new year. Bye.